Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from Solid Trades. So pretty much every single thing I did today failed. I lost money after money after money after money in seconds. I would get in and it would just go against me and I had to get out. It would go get in and it would go against me and I had to get out. And yes, it was a frustrating day. However, I want to talk about the importance of risk management. If I had not cut my losses quick, this would have been way worse day, and then tomorrow would be a very, very tough day for me. So let's go into my trades, and all the trades pretty much I alerted in the chat and they all failed, and I'll talk about how to enter and how to exit if something's not working out. So let's look at here. The number one trade that I did was RHE. Okay, so RHE went in and I alerted in the chat that it was trending this here. It was making this pattern, and as soon as it broke out right here, I entered, and then instead it should have just gone, because the fact that it was this nice triangle formation pattern. So you see there's a triangle, not a triangle but a bull flag, and it broke out of a bull flag. It should have just gone, but it didn't, and it failed. So as soon as it failed, I entered here and then I exited here once I start to fail the pattern. Lost like straight away $300. I had like about 250 shares on it. So then right away I was in red. Okay, the second trade I did was then LEDS. Again, it was part of the watch list and I talked about this. So let's look at LEDS. LEDS, similar pattern. So there was this trend break right here, right? So and then it started making this lower high, entered at the break right here, and this candle, stock went up, took some profit, okay, and then it came down all the way and I got stopped out. Only lost $19, and the reason why, because I took some profit on top. So the fact that I took some profit, otherwise I would have lost about $2-3 on this too, because I risked about $200 per trade. So this would have been bigger. I would have been down automatically. But the fact that I took some profit on top and it got stopped out, at the break even. Now, imagine if I had just held this trade. If I got frustrated because I already lost money from my previous trade and I had just held this trade. Look what happened after. It just crashed after. Same thing happened with RHE. Look. Once there's a failed breakout, do not ever hold the trade. Please do not ever hold the trade. If you are trading like this, please do not ever hold the trade. Okay, it's very, very important. Then trade PTIX. PTIX, same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Nice flag pattern. Enter right here at the trend break. Enter right here. Stock started to push up. I thought, okay, this is gonna go, and then crashes. I stopped out right here. Okay, once it broke the trend, I got stopped out, lost another $84. But I did not wait all the way down to my stop loss, because once it failed, I just got out really quick. So again, if I hadn't stayed in it and then not cut my losses quick, look what happened. The stock crashed right after. So once there's a failed breakout and the stock goes down, you never ever hold. So always get in with the stop loss. If you don't, then it's done. You're done forever. Like, you're not going to be able to stay in the trade. Okay. Then I traded this. Then now after like having 3 losses, that was my time to, okay, just stop now. It's not working anymore. And then I started to take like some stupid trade. Entered whale. Like, I mean, this shouldn't be even a trade. But then I entered right here, like 2,500 shares, stopped out right here, and then thank God again, similar thing. If I had not stopped out, look what would have happened. I mean, the stock just crashed, right? Like, stock crashed. I mean, I entered here, stopped out here. That's it. As I was expecting, once the trend breaks, gonna go up. It didn't. Market was extremely weak today, and it would have been amazing if I was shorting, but I did not, because Friday market was really strong, so I was expecting a continuation. But by the time I realized, hey, I should be looking short, I was already like 4 out of 4. So, and then I still did not stop trading, and I still traded again OBLN. Then I traded OBLN, and that also did not work. But I lost like very small amount. The reason why, because I entered right here, took profit, and then got stopped out on this candle, and thank God I did, because that also crashed. So the fact that I took some profit, because that's why I just did not lose any money on it. I heard Bailey was like almost a break-even trade. So that's the importance of risk management. Now you know what this is. I mean, I can make that. Hopefully tomorrow, once I catch a good trade, I'll make all that back in just one trade, right? But if I had held or averaged down any of my losing trades, this would have been the end of my career. That's how risky day trading can be if you don't know what you're doing. So please, if you can't day trade, if you can't stop out, if you don't understand risk management, please learn that first and then do it. I just really hope this helps you out, because this is the main reason why you can stay in the game for a very long time and be profitable. Alright guys, so I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the chat. Take care, bye.